student, today I am going to start new chapter principle and processes of extraction of element. Out of 118 elements known so far, 90 elements are metals and 92 found in nature, while other are synthesized in lab by means of nuclear reaction. Now next is occurrence of element. In nature, elements are found in two states, in free state and in combined state. In free state, gold, silver, platinum are noble metal and occur in free state. At some places, copper occur in free state. In combined state, alkali metal, alkali earth metal, iron, copper, zinc, lead, aluminium are reactive and have combined form. Now next is source of element. It is divided into three categories. Elements occur in sea or hydrosphere is bromine, iodine, sodium, potassium, calcium carbonate, zinc, copper, nickel, sodium iodide, natural gas, oil, coal, sulfur, agar. Manganese nodules contain copper, nickel, cobalt and oxide of manganese and iron. And in atmosphere, it contains N2O2 and other gases. In lithosphere, there are four main zones. First is metallic zone. Lithosphere means found in earth crust or earth, inside the earth. So first is metallic zone. Metallic zone composed of manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper. Intermediate zone, second one is intermediate sulfide zone. It consists of phosphorus, sulfur, zinc, gallium, germanium. Third one is silicate zone. It is composed of chlorides and carbonates and sulfate of lithium, sodium, potassium, magnesium, calcium and barium. Fourth is atmophile. It is composed of fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, boron, carbon, silicon, nitrogen, oxygen, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon. Now come to metallurgy of extraction of metal. The process of obtaining free metal from their natural source using various chemical processes are known as metallurgy. Or in simple way, to extract the metal from its own ore is known as metallurgy, or purification of ore is known as metallurgy. Second is gangues or matrix. The impurity present in ore are called gangues or matrix. It is like a soil, stone, pellets, etc. Now next is principle of metallurgy. There are various principles by which we just refine the ore and bring it to the pure metal. First is crushing of ore, second is concentration of ore, calcination, roasting, smelting, sintering, reduction, purification. So we take all the topic one by one in detail. First is crushing of ore. The ore is crushed to powder in the crusher or a grinder. Second is concentration or dressing of ore. The process of removal unwanted material, that is gangues, from ore is called concentration of ore. It is of following type. The first type is manual method. Generally this method is not in use because it takes very long time and quality of concentration of ore is very poor. Second is gravity separation. This is the method by which we do the gravity separation to extract the metal from the ore. This is the funnel which pour crushed ore to this slope. This is the slope, and these four are corrugated board. So when the crushed ore flow with water, then the impurity being lighter in the weight, its density is very low, so that the impurity just pour into this tank and ore reside in this corrugated board. So this corrugated board contain ore and the gangues are just flow in this tank. So my question is for today, what is metallurgy and its kind? Thank you.